Hello, Benjamin Duckett here. Welcome to the channel. Firefox 145, now available for download. Drops 32-bit support on Linux. This release also updates horizontal tabs layout with a slightly more rounded look, following the look of the vertical tabs layout. Mozilla has published today the final build of Firefox 145 open source web browser ahead of its unveiling on November 11, 2025. That's tomorrow. The biggest change in Firefox 145 release is that it drops support for 32-bit systems on Linux. This means that Mozilla will no longer build on 32-bit builds and will no longer offer 32-bit builds of Firefox starting with 145, recommending users install 64-bit version of Firefox for continued updates and support. New features in Firefox 145 include the ability to add, edit, and delete comments in PDF files to make your own notes, which are summaries, questions, tasks, and others. Mozilla says that the comment sidebar helps you scan all your comments and quickly jump to them, which is handy for long or heavily marked up PDFs. Another new feature is the ability to remind you of what tabs are in a group by hovering over the tab group name to see a preview of the tabs inside a group without opening it. Moreover, Firefox 145 has new open links from apps next to your active tab option in General tab settings. Firefox 145 updates copy link to highlight context menu items to allow users to share arbitrary sections of a web page with others by copying a link through the context menu with a given selection, and updates the horizontal tabs layout with a slightly more rounded look, along with buttons and text input across all settings. Starting with that release, Firefox will now show a message that highlights how extensions can enhance your browsing, with links to the Firefox add-on store when clicking the Extensions button on the toolbar when no extensions are installed. For developers, Firefox 145 brings support for the atomics.wait async proposal to allow synchronization of threads based upon the value in a shared memory location, as well as support for the new integrity-policy header, which is used to enforce sub-resource integrity for scripts. It also brings support for text autospace property, allowing automatic spacing adjustments between characters from different scripts, as well as Matroska support for most commonly used codecs: AVC, HEVC, VP8, VP9, AP1, AAC, Opus, and Vorbis. Mozilla plans to officially unveil Firefox 145 tomorrow, November 11, 2025, along with Firefox 140.5 and 115.30.0 ESR releases. Until then, you can download the source tarball as well as the binaries for 64-bit and ARM64 ARC64 systems from Mozilla's FTP server. And that is all for this video. Let me know what you think about it. If you have anything you want me to take a look at, let me know down below, and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.